Mr. Parker, good afternoon, sir.
How you doing, sir?
I am doing well. My name is Keith Adams.
Yes.
I represent Mr. Williams, the gentleman who's sitting right there.
Sure.
All right. You are owner or part owner of the barbershop that we've been talking about, right?
Yes.
Okay. And just a couple questions about what you know about what happened on the evening of January 10th, 2015, okay?
Sure.
You were there that night.
Yes.
There were other people in the barbershop, right?
Yes.
There was a game on.
Sure.
Football game. Probably wasn't the Super Bowl since it was early January.
Yeah.
One of the playoffs, I guess?
Playoff, probably, yes.
Okay. All right. Probably a game where Dallas was probably losing or something like that. Okay. All right. But there were people. It was a regular evening where things were going on there in the barbershop.
Sure.
Right. In terms of what you saw, first you heard what sounded like firecrackers.
Correct.
You thought someone was outside playing with some firecrackers or something like that.
Exactly.
All right. But then I think I heard you say that you started to see people running.
Right.
Now, was that outside that you kind of saw some movement, people running, or are we talking about inside the store?
Outside and then start inside.
Okay. You didn't see what was going on. You heard the noise. Yeah. You saw the people running.
Correct.
And I think I heard you say that you hit the ground.
Exactly.
Okay. Other people inside kind of ground as well.
Took cover.
Right. Did you ever go outside when, I presume things kind of subsided after a while. You stopped hearing any firecrackers or shots or anything like that?
Yes.
You didn't go outside, though,
no.
Did you? Okay. It is fair to say that you heard your voice. Okay. All right, we're good. All right. You heard your voice on that 911 tape.
Sure.
Short, you called the police, and I think I heard you say, look, send the police. Somebody done got shot.
Yeah.
All right. Now you didn't actually see anyone.
Yeah, they weren't in the shop saying somebody got shot.
That's what people inside were saying.
No, there were people from the outside running in my shop trying to take cover.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's a question. That's the question that I got for you.
Yeah.
Step over here. There's a lot of commotion.
Correct.
But you're not in a position to really say to the jury or to tell us really what's going on outside, just that there's shots and there's some commotion out there.
Right.
You didn't see what was going on before you started hearing the shots, right?
Mm-hmm. No.
Okay. And immediately after the shots, you didn't see what was going on out there either.
Correct.
You wouldn't be in a position to describe any vehicles that were outside at the time. True?
No.
How many vehicles were outside at the time?
No.
How many people were around the parking lot or the area outside? We don't know that from what you saw.
Correct.
Okay. It's clear that after the fact, you come to realize that there are shots that have been fired, and the barbershop had been hit by some of those shots.
Correct.
Okay. And there were cameras outside and inside of the shop.
Sure.
Sometime after all of this commotion went down, the police showed up.
Correct.
Do you remember them coming in the store, any police officers, detectives, anyone like that, and talking to you specifically?
Now they came and talked to my dad.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But not you?
Well, they spoke with me.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to guess that you really didn't have much to tell them other than what you just testified to a little while.
Sure.
Okay. In regards to the video cameras, were they talking to your dad about getting the footage from the video camera?
Sure.
Or were they talking to you?
My dad.
Your dad. All right. Sounds like your dad was really the one who was kind of interacting with the cops the most.
Yes.
Okay. The person that the prosecutor asked you about, you referred to him as Peanut or as Nut. Did you know that person is Donovan Thomas? You know his name?
No.
Okay. All right. But if I heard correctly, he generally frequented the other barbershop.
Yeah, Mr. George.
Mr. George.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know whether the police spoke to, other than you briefly and your dad, the other people who were there inside of the barbershop? You know, folks getting a haircut,
right.
Folks who were there. Did you see the police interviewing or talking to those folks as well?
No, I don't remember that.
How long did you stay around after all of this went down?
Until it was over with. It was a crime scene, so I had to stay.
Okay, so you were there until the cops left, pretty
Yeah,
much?
inside, yes.
Okay. And that's it. That's pretty much your involvement. You were there, you heard it, you saw some commotion, saw the cops, observed some damage to the shop, and that was pretty much it.
Correct.
All right. Parker, that's all I got. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Weinstein, anything?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Matthews, anything?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. D. Williams, anything? Mr. Garner, anything? Mr. Short, anything? Mr. Short? Okay, all right. Anybody I miss? Okay, all right. State anything further?
Just very briefly, Your Honor. Mr. Parker, Mr. Adams asked you about your father and the surveillance video. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Is your father still with us today?
No, he's deceased.
Have you ever known if something happened in or around your shop, would it be usual or unusual for your dad to give some surveillance video to the police if they asked?
Not all the time.
Sometimes.
Sometime.
Thank you, Mr. Parker.
Sure.
Anything further?
No, sir. No, thank you.
All right. All right, may Mr. Parker be permanently temporarily excused as a witness?
Mr. Parker may be permanently excused.
Mr. Parker, I'm going to permanently excuse you as a witness. That means you can go back to your usual duties and avocation. Hope you age even younger, okay?
Yeah, you come
okay.
you come see me and get a haircut.
I might take you up on that. My beard's getting a little long. All right, but sir, please don't discuss your testimony with anybody except the attorneys in this case, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, state and need a representative from the defense, please. We're going to go ahead and recess for today. We've come to a natural stopping point. So, see if I can get the other microphone to work so I can talk and look at the same time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow morning we're going to start at 12:30 for an anticipated 1 o'clock start time. All right. That's Wednesday, the May 29th. Thursday, the 30th, if you could be here for 10 o'clock, or 9:30, I'm sorry, for a 10 o'clock anticipated start time. And then Friday, the last day of the month, you all should be here by 12:30 for an anticipated 1 o'clock start time. And then we'll go to about 5 on Friday, okay? All right. Following into the first week of June, starting on June the 3rd, ladies and gentlemen, you will have an administrative day on the 3rd, okay? Monday the 3rd of June, you will have an administrative day. The 4th, which is a Tuesday, you will come in for 9:30 for anticipated 10 o'clock start time. The 5th, which is a Wednesday, you all will come in at 9:30 for an anticipated 10 o'clock start time. Thursday, the 6th, you all will come in at 8:30 for an anticipated 9 o'clock start time. However, on that day, the 7th, we will be here. You need to report at 8:30 for an anticipated 9 o'clock start time, and that will be a full work day. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go through the 14th, but the 10th of June, 8:30 is Monday for an anticipated 9 o'clock start time. The 11th of June, which is a Tuesday, 9:30 for an anticipated 10 o'clock start time. 12th, which is Wednesday, we will convene at 9:30 for an anticipated 10 o'clock start time. Thursday, the 13th, if you could meet for 8:30 for an anticipated 9 o'clock start time, we'll work the balance of the day, rest of the day. And then the 14th, which is a Friday, we will start at 12:30 with an anticipated 1 o'clock start time. Those days on Fridays, I have Veterans Court during the morning. That's why we don't start that early. Okay, does that give you all your schedule for the next week or two? Okay, all right. Do you have, hold on one second.